Guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing and installing this Hobbywing quickrun 10BL60 into my Traxxas Rustler. We're putting it in here. I'm going to give it a first little try out. I'm going to solder up the plugs and all that stuff. So I'm going to push it down somewhere and I'm going to take this out of the box. Alright guys, as it is in its box, just push it out now. And there it is. That is the Hobbywing quickrun 10BL60. There it is. Pretty good. It's got a switch, it's got all the plugs. Now I'm going to pull this fully out of the box, get everything out, and show you what's in the box. Guys, let's get this out now. Just gonna go. Alright. Instruction manual. Cable tie. Cable ties. Shrink wrap, double side tape. That's good. Receipts, you don't want to see that. There's a Dean's plug. I had to buy this separately because it doesn't have plugs on it. And out. Another cable tie. And what's that? Oh, a spare waterproof switch thingy. Let's put this out. There it is. There is the ESC. So I laid everything out that you get in the box. Instructions, stickers. I'm going to put the pink ones on the body. That's going to look pretty good. You get the shrink wrap, double side tape, as I said before, spare switch. Okay, that fell on the floor. The spare little rubber switch thing. 2 cable ties. Dean's, you don't get that, but I bought it, so yeah. The ESC itself with no plug. And yeah, that is it. And you get the box, and you don't get receipts. You can't have them. I'll get the Rustler back. Already got a battery on charge. That's just a 2S. Where's that at? Oh, it's nearly charged. I'm gonna give this thing a blast after. Put back on. Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna solder these plugs up. I'm not gonna put that on. Okay, go away. I'm not going to put that on camera because that's going to be okay, that's awesome. That's going to be the biggest pain to do. Mind you, they're already tinned. That's like, that's not going to work. Alright, it's already tinned, so that's good. And I've tested this. These plugs are 4mm, I think, female connectors. They do actually fit the motor I've already got, so I don't have to do anything there. Switch is just a switch. That goes to the receiver, as I'm sure you know that. That's fine. I'll just go there, because Dean's is what I use on all my batteries. For now, I want to switch to HD60s. Blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to do that, and I'll put you back on once it's done, and probably broken. Goodbye. Now I have the Dean's connector soldered together. It wasn't as bad as I thought. It was pretty good, seeing as the wires were already tinned for me. All I have to do is tin the plug and just solder it together. It was pretty good, pretty proud of that. So now all I gotta do is just install it, I think. There's nothing else to do on it. Oh, and set it up once it's installed with that little button there. Next to the switch, this little button. Set it up, then I'll probably go, where is it? Okay, I don't know where it's gone, but I've got a Hobbywing program card. I'm probably just going to go into the programming and play around a little bit. This was a display piece, so there's a price. It's not going to focus, but there we go. Alright, so first I'm going to just go peel this sticker off. Alright, a bit tricky one-handed, but I'll get it. There you go, I was going to leave that over there. There you go. Alright, now I'm going to get that sticky residue stuff off. Alright, there's some of the specs for it. 2 to 3S LiPo, 6 volt 3 amp BEC. I'll put the polarity around the right way. So yeah. Alright guys, I've got the ESC installed. They're all plugged in. I don't have the wires cleaned up yet, obviously. All just sort of hanging around, but it's all plugged in. All I do is get my battery, which is finished charging now. put that in there. And I just gotta plug it in. So I'll do that, and I'll push it there and I'll just plug it in now. Didn't spark. It's not going in. Why isn't that going in? Oh, there you go. Why isn't it going in? Alright, it's in now. It's plugged in. Hasn't blown up yet. Nothing smoked. Let's just. Hang on. I'm going to sit it on the box. Off the ground. Yeah, the wheel's off the ground. I'll grab my controller for it. There's a controller. Controller's on. Turn the car on. Alright, so it turned on. That's good. Seems to all be working. But it's running backwards. So I'm going to get it all programmed and set up. I'll put it back on once it's done. Let's go. Everything's set up. It's going the right way now. Everything's great. It's sounding awesome. All the fans working. Spectrum servo going great. I'm going to clean up all this wiring. Then I'll give it a little blast. Got all the wires cleaned up. A little bunch there. It's all electrical tape down. Not electrical tape, whatever. That's run the right way. It's all good. And it doesn't cog as much as the cheap ESCs I've had in here. But I'll have to give it a little drive to see. So I'll take it outside and give it a little blast. A little, because I don't want to break it. But yeah. Here now, I'm going to give this thing a little blast. That's flat out. Oh, okay. Okay, it does do some pretty sick skids. Yeah, there's a jump. Driving pretty one-handed, using a bar jar piston. Seems pretty good to me. No smoke yet. Everything seems to be still in check. I'll go try and speed run out the front, see if it's still got the go. It's only gone 2-cell, guys. That's flat out. I think it's, yeah, very fast. Shows them off-roading. Yeah, it's fast. Alright, I'm going to take it inside before I break it. Alright guys, just got back in after running it, as you just saw. And I think the motor got a little hot. I think. I'm feeling the motor got a bit hot. There you see. I don't know where you're supposed to measure it. Yeah, now I don't think that's. Yeah, that's not accurate because I can touch that exact spot and it'd be fine. Then how hot's this mat? I don't think so. Yeah, that's definitely not 88 degrees. Yeah. Yeah, this thing's broke. Alright, the motor got about 80 maybe. ESC is probably about 30 maybe, 35. Yeah, it's fine, that's nothing really. I've had it way hotter. And that motor is probably, well, it's the last legs, it's gonna die soon. Alright, this car is freaking awesome with its new ESC now. Definitely would recommend getting this ESC for a Rustler. It's a fairly good price. Ish, it's a good price. You get some free pink stickers as well. Pink stickers, which I'm going to put on my body. So yeah, that's it. No problems. Nothing like went wrong. Just the battery went flat. So yeah, I got that storage charging. Do I? Oh, I don't. Okay. So I'm going to storage charge that in a sec, and that'll be the end of that. By the way, the motor does have a fan on it. Is it? Right. It does have a fan on it. It was working. This motor just gets really hot because it's got high gearing and massive wheels, which are a lot heavier than the stock ones. So anyway, that's going to be the end of this video, I think. Yeah. Make sure you check out my Instagram. Like, subscribe. That's down there. Subscribe down there. Post notifications. Do that. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.